Hey, Matt Roulette here with MarineMax Boston. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of a Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. This particular 13 Sport is powered by a 40 horsepower Mercury. Convenient seating is you also get the gas tank right underneath. If you look at the steering wheel, it's stainless steel. Boston Whaler never misses anything. When you're sitting on the bench seat, super easy to use the throttle. Up here at the bow, you got your anchor storage. You also get that bow cushion. Thanks for tuning in, checking out the 13 Sport. If you like this boat or any other boat in my inventory, please feel free to reach out. Matt Roulette, MarineMax Boston, 603-320-5524. Thank you.